Alright guys, so this is how to change or transform your image or photo to anywhere, any clothes, any location, any background, based on your imagination and based on trends. Okay, so some persons have reached out to me lately to ask how I've been able to generate or achieve some of the results by changing my photos to those locations and the kind of clothes or whatsoever. Now, it's not a rocket science. It's very simple. This is how to go about it. All right, guys. So the app I use is called Gemini, Google Gemini. Yeah, it's owned by Google. And this app is available for both Android users and app or iOS users, okay, which means iPhone or Apple. Okay. Now, for the sake of this illustration, I'm using an Android to make this video. So all you need to do is to go to your Play Store, that's for Android users. Let me use this arrow to show because some persons need to be held by their hand to understand. So this is my Play Store. Okay. All you need to do is to click on your Play Store, let it open. Good. For Apple users, iPhone users, you go to your App Store, same thing. Okay. And you go to your search bar. The search bar is beneath here. Yeah, please let me use all of this for. I say some persons need to be held by the hands to avoid too much questions. As I'm using this. So this is the search bar, as you can see. Good. So you click on that search area, click on it, it's going to pop up. Once it pop up this way, you go to the search uh, area. Here is the search area. Okay, I'm doing this for those that will be asking a lot of questions. And you go here, you type Google Gemini. As you can see, that's already pop up in it. Okay, but let me just type it in full. For some persons learn differently. So that's it, Google Gemini. Then you click on it. Good. Now it has opened. Okay. Now, if you can see, there's one sponsored whatever AI ad generator. That's not it. The main Google Gemini is the one you're seeing after that AI ads. Let me see my illustrator again. For those of us that really need to be held by the hand. So this is the Google Gemini. That's it. That's the logo. Okay. Now, if you want to download it into your phone, it's simple. You just click on this download here and gonna automatically download into your phone. I know what that means, right? It's going to take some space, definitely some MB, depending on as the case may be on the size. But in my own case, I don't use the mobile app, rather I use the web app as a web application. How do you use the web application? Now, let me minimize. All you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Here's my Chrome. Go to your Chrome browser. Here's my Chrome browser, okay? Allow it to open. Yep. Okay, good. So you come to the search area, which is this place. So you're seeing search Google or whatever, or URL. Click on it. Then you type Google. You can see it has already showed because I'm always using it. Google Gemini. I have to type in full because sometimes learn differently. That's it under. Click on Google Gemini. So that's it. That's the Google Gemini, the same logo that showed in the Play Store. You click on it, and it's going to bring you. Okay, now in this case, hello Yaro, that's my name actually. You can see it brought me to this interface. Now in this case, it's brought me here because I'm already signed up or signing into Gemini. Now for those of you that are just seeing this or using this for the first time, you're going to be required to sign up using your Google account. Okay, you're going to click on it and sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up using your Google account, it's going to bring you to same face or interface like this. But in your own case, you'll not see Yaro. Yaro is my surname. That's why you're seeing this hello Yaro. What I mean here, this hello Yaro you are seeing here, that's my surname. In your own case, if you are bearing Grace, you're going to see hello Grace. If you're bearing Victor, hello Victor, as the case may be. Okay. And this logo you're seeing here, that Y is also the Yaro. That's my Google, my, yeah, sorry, my Google address. Okay. So that's by the way, it's not even as important as that. Okay. Now, before you proceed with your generation, take note. Make sure your Google Gemini is set on this 2.5 flash. Okay, because this particular version of generation is called Nano Banana. All right, so you must make sure it's on that 2.5 flash. That's where you can get the result. Why? Because Gemini is used for other purposes, okay? Not just image generation. It's also used for video creation. Some of you have been seeing all those AI videos people make online. You see animal stalking, whatever it's used, but it's still Gemini that does that. But it's in a different version of it, okay? Like, right. So just make sure it's on 2.5 flash. Then what do you do next? You come here. Let me use this sticker for. Now you come here where you are seeing Ask Gemini beneath. That's here. Let's Ask Gemini. Good. Now, what all you need to do is to click on this plus icon here. And once you click on the plus icon, it's going to take you to your gallery. Okay, now once you click on the plus icon, these things will pop up. Camera, upload, add from drive. That is camera, meaning if you want to take a caption of yourself. Okay, and upload means if you want to go to your gallery to take a picture. But in this case, click on the second, which is upload, because I'm going to go to a gallery. And I'm going to click on file to take me to my gallery. Okay, depending on the kind of phone you're using or how the settings is, just go to your gallery. Okay, in this case, let me just click here and go to my gallery. Phone differs. Okay, yours might be different from mine. Okay, so I'm going to use this picture. I'm going to use this picture to show us how Gemini work. So it works with prompts. Okay, works with prompts. Now I can tell Gemini, change my clothes to a black polo. Now watch and see. You allow it to generate. It's just going to take a few seconds. Generating image, as you can see. So it's not something difficult. Can you see this now, guys? It has changed my dress into a black polo. Okay. You can also tell it. You can also tell it wear me a black face cap. Then you send. Now watch out and see, guys. Can you see this now? Can you see how it looks? So guys, can you see this? Now, okay, so that is that. Now, once you do this, alternatively, okay, wear me a glass. Guys, can you see this? Now, once you're done with your generation, with your conversion or transformation, as the case may be, you save to your device. How do you save to your device? You click on the picture you generated, okay? And after that, you come here where you see this arrow here. That is the download arrow button. Click on it and see it's downloading in full size. Like download it to your device. You go to your device, you have it there in your gallery. So that's it, guys. Can you see? This is what we've generated. The first prompt. This is the real picture. So that is how crazy it is. And very simple. You can do yours now.